Hello friends, I am your friend Manoj from Paras Bagwani. Today we will talk about a plant whose name is Mandevilla plants. Today's video is based on the Mandevilla plants. In this we will tell you how you can plant Mandevilla at home and how to get beauty in your garden from it. Before starting the video, you are requested that if you like our video then you should subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to also that the notification of our other upcoming videos can reach you first as well as the video. Like and comment and tell us how you liked our video. So let's start the video on the complete introduction and care of Mandevilla plants. Mandevilla plants are a stunning addition to any garden, patio, or landscape. Also known as rock trumpet, this tropical vine is prized for its large, showy blooms that appear from late spring to fall. The trumpet-shaped, five-petaled flowers come in vibrant shades of red, white, pink, or yellow, offering a fragrant display that attracts hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies. Native to Central and South America, Mandevilla has become a popular choice for gardeners worldwide. Its versatility makes it an excellent option for containers, perfect for patios and small spaces. This tender perennial adapts well to various climates. In frost-free areas, it thrives outdoors year-round. In colder regions, it can be treated as an annual. With proper care, it can be overwintered indoors as a houseplant. Growing Mandevilla is relatively easy, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. This low-maintenance vine offers tropical beauty with minimal effort. Botanical name Mandevilla spp zones 8 to 11. Exposure full to partial sun. Height spread, vining spreading or bushy habit, 1 to 20 feet tall, 1 to 15 feet wide. Bloom time, late spring to fall, with nearly year-round bloom in frost-free climates. Color and characteristics. This fast-growing tropical vine produces fragrant five-petaled flowers in various shades of pink, red, white, or yellow, some with yellow throats. Oval-shaped glossy green leaves with a smooth or leathery texture grow to 8 inches long. Vining types have a twining habit, benefiting from vertical support. Newer varieties are bred for more shrubby characteristics. Is Mandevilla poisonous? Mandevilla plant is mildly toxic to children and pets. Cut stems exude a milky sap that can cause skin irritation. When to plant? Mandevilla can be planted outdoors, in mid to late spring after all danger of frost has passed. Wait until nighttime temperatures are 50 degrees Fahrenheit or higher and daytime temperatures reach at least 60 degrees F. Where to plant? Plant in a sunny site with rich soil and good drainage. How to plant? Loosen soil in the planting area and amend with compost or other rich organic matter. Dig a hole slightly wider and same depth as the root ball. Remove plant from the nursery container and loosen roots if pot-bound. Place the plant in the hole so the top of the root ball slightly higher than the surrounding soil. Fill in the hole with soil, tamp down gently to remove air pockets, and water thoroughly. Water regularly until established. Mandevilla care. Temperature and humidity. Mandevilla prefers warm temperatures and high air humidity. Optimal temperature range is 68 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. In temperatures below 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, plants may show cold damage. In drier climates, mist plants regularly to boost humidity. Indoors, keep temperatures at 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at night and 70 degrees Fahrenheit or above during the day. Pruning in late winter or early spring. Before plants begin producing new growth, cut plants back by up to a third of their size. Remove dead or diseased branches and shape as needed. To encourage a fuller and bushier habit, pinch back stem tips. Plants bloom on new growth, so pruning Mandevilla later in the season can result in a loss of flower buds. Mandevilla flowers are self-cleaning, so plants don't need deadheading. Soil Mandevilla does best in sandy, well-draining soil amended with compost or other rich organic matter and a pH between 6.6 and 7.8. Good drainage is essential to prevent root rot. For containers, use a high-quality, all-purpose potting soil and make sure pots have adequate drainage holes. Amendments and fertilizer. Feed plants every 2 weeks with a slow-release formula or liquid fertilizer high in phosphorus to promote bloom. Cease fertilizing from fall to early spring if overwintering indoors. Watering. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Overwatering can cause root rot or fungal disease. Underwatering can cause plant stress or fewer flowers. Allow soil to dry out somewhat between waterings. Irrigate when the soil surface becomes dry 1 to 2 inches down. Support. Mandevilla has a twining habit, needing a freestanding support such as a trellis, pergola, obelisk, or arbor to grow on. The vining branches may need to be tied as they grow to train them in the direction you want them to go. Pests and diseases. When grown in optimal conditions outdoors, Mandevilla is virtually free of pests and diseases. Plants that are overwintered indoors are more susceptible to pests, including aphids, scale, mealybugs, spider mites, and whitefly. For infestations, apply an insecticidal soap or neem oil according to instructions. Repeat as necessary. Diseases include root rot, powdery mildew, anthracnose, leaf spot, botrytis, fusarium rot, southern wilt, and crown gall. Overwintering. When outdoor temperatures drop to 50 degrees, bring plants indoors for the winter. Place in a window with bright indirect light and cease fertilizing. Don't overwater and check each plant carefully for pests. Move back outdoors when nighttime temperatures are consistently 50 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. So now you have understood how to grow Mandevilla plants at home. If you liked this video, please share it. Stay connected for more such plant information. Just keep these few things in mind. Your plant will always enhance the beauty of your home and also provide you beneficial and pure air. This is the end of today's video. Let's meet in another video to talk about caring for another plant. Till then, bye friends, happy gardening.